Integrating Printify with TikTok Shop enables you to sell custom merchandise directly through TikTok's e-commerce platform. Here's how to connect them. Set up a TikTok Shop seller account. Create a TikTok account. Download the TikTok app and register for a new account. Apply for a TikTok Shop. Visit the TikTok Seller Center and complete the application to become a seller. Account approval. TikTok will review your application, a process that may take up to 48 hours. Create a Printify account. Sign up. Go to Printify's website and register for a free account. Connect Printify to TikTok Shop. Access Store Manager. In your Printify account, navigate to the Store Manager. Add new store. Click Add a new store and select TikTok as your platform. Authorize connection. Follow the prompts to log into your TikTok Seller Center account and authorize the connection. Upload products to TikTok Shop via Printify. Design products. Use Printify's product creator to design your merchandise. Publish to TikTok Shop. Once designed, publish your products directly to your TikTok Shop through the Printify integration. Manage orders. Order fulfillment. When customers purchase your products on TikTok Shop, Printify will handle production and shipping, ensuring timely delivery.